Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, open settings, then go to the network and internet, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. You can switch it here. You can also change its name here. You can see its barcode here to share your hotspot. You can select its security protocol. That means if you want to have password, select WPA2. If you don't want to have password, just select none. Here you can change its password. You can also set it to turn off automatically if no one is connected, and also you can change its AP band. And you can switch hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.